us for a little while. This angry mass of cloud actually in the north isn't going to affect anything but just northern Scotland. Even that isn't going to give much in the way of rain because the clear skies, a large area of high pressure which is affecting most places. The front to the north really quite weak, very little rain on that as it moves southeast during Thursday. But then something of a change. Another area of low pressure moving southeast. A little bit difficult to say exactly where it's going to end up, but certainly to the south of us eventually, bringing cold northerly winds by the end of the weekend with some sleet. Now we are going to see some frost tonight. In fact, there it is forming across most places. Not though across northern parts of Scotland, and in fact the frost across Scotland and northern England and Northern Ireland will probably disappear by the morning. By the morning, just Wales, the Midlands and southern parts of England seeing temperatures below freezing. Now the reason for the rise in temperature, a stronger wind, also thicker cloud with some spots of rain. Also, those strong winds are going to continue right through Thursday. In fact, they could touch gale force at times in Orkney and Shetland, but quite light winds in the south and a different direction to recently, mostly in from the west. So let's take a look at the weather during Thursday, and in the north we're going to find a cloudy day with some spells of light rain. That is going to be pushing southeast, but there will be some brighter skies in those eastern areas, I think, through the afternoon. Whereas further south, after a dry, frosty, sunny start, some of that cloud filtering down across Wales, the Midlands and East Anglia, but even now I think it'll stay bright right through the afternoon. Now it is going to be a warmer day, particularly in those eastern areas. In fact, in some sheltered parts of Scotland, despite the wind, temperatures could be as high as 11 Celsius, that's 52 Fahrenheit. Now on Friday morning, the southeast will start off dry and fairly bright, but everywhere else a fairly cloudy start. But then it won't be long before we see some brighter weather coming into the northwestern parts of Scotland with some showers. And that's going to be pushing fairly quickly southeast across the whole of the country, bringing a few showers to southern areas, but those showers should be fairly light. But then showers in the north, they're going to become very much heavier, and as temperatures drop, many of those showers could eventually turn to snow on the high.